Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a bizarre and shocking story from India. A scam that's as unusual as it is troubling. It's about the All India Pregnant Job Service. Yes, you heard that right. Let's get into it. In early December, Mangesh, a name we've changed for privacy, stumbled upon something extraordinary on Facebook. A video from the All India Pregnant Job Service promising a hefty sum of money for, get this, getting a woman pregnant. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, Mangesh thought so too, but the lure of easy money was too tempting. He's a 33-year-old father of two, earning just 15,000 rupees per month from his job at a wedding decoration company. But here's where it gets twisted. This job offer was nothing but a scam, a cruel trick to exploit the hopes of many like Mangesh. Deputy Superintendent of Police Kalyan Anand, from Bihar's cyber cell, reveals that hundreds have fallen victim to this elaborate con. The scam artist promised a huge payday and a night in a hotel with a childless woman. 8 men have been arrested so far, but the scam's reach is far wider. Victims from all over India, mostly with little education, were deceived into paying various fees, lured by the promise of $500,000 rupees. Mangesh, in a series of phone calls, shared his ordeal with us. He paid 799 rupees to register, and more for court documents, a safety deposit, and even GST on the money he was supposedly going to receive. But when it was time to get his money, the scammers demanded more, citing income tax. The amount Mangesh lost? A whole month's salary. Mangesh's story is a stark reminder of the vulnerability of many in the face of such scams, especially in the digital age. Cyber law expert Pavan Duggal weighs in, explaining that people in India often trust too easily and don't verify information found online. He warns that with the rise of net banking and digital transactions, we're in the golden age of cybercrime. This story isn't just about Mangesh or the hundreds of others deceived. It's a wake-up call for all of us about the realities of cybercrime and the importance of staying vigilant online. So, what do you think about this scam? How can we protect ourselves and our communities from such deceptive practices? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this story as shocking as we did, hit that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more such content. Stay safe and informed. Until next time, goodbye.